Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to direct test hiring part number 2. In this video we will discuss about the Samespace AlgoHire AI hiring test pattern. What is the number of questions, time, topics, okay. So this is the test mail that is received, okay. One of the most important point that I shared this opportunity, just see this, I shared the direct link with all of you, okay. Just to see this, okay, and the direct test is there. So let's start the video. I already shared all the details in the previous video, okay. First of all, we have opportunity of AI ML engineer and front-end developer. That is from Samespace company, okay. I already shared all the details in the previous video. If you not applied yet, I suggest you to apply for opportunity now, and guys, like and share the video, okay. I received this type of message, Samespace, hi Lokesh, thank you for your interest in the AI ML engineer role. The test link will be valid for 7 days. Okay, so as we know that for AI ML engineer, okay, for AI ML engineer and front-end developer test, there is time of 40 minutes. Okay, and for like front-end developer role, there is time of 30 minutes. And guys, the timer is the timer will be start when you start the test, like when you click on the link. So this type of message will be shown, hi Lokesh, thank you for your interest in joining our team. The following will be our 40 minutes skill assessment test. This test in full screen mode on your own without copying or pasting any content, okay. So don't copy or paste any content in that, okay, because it is in the full screen mode. And guys, one of the most important point, on a single tab, our system will be not any tab switching. So don't do anything, because this is one of the good opportunity. And if you if you selected for that role, so your package will be also good and other thing will be also good. Within the allotted time, it will be automatically submit when the time is up. So I already said time is 40 minutes for AI ML test, and for front-end developer test, there is time of 30 minutes. For AI ML test, you have to know about all the concepts of AI ML. Type your answer, means there are the questions, okay. There are the questions they mention. It will be like most probably 10 to 12 questions, okay. In front-end developer, it is same, okay. Find output question. What does it means? Basically, they will give you some a query or code, we can say, okay, and you have to write the output as well, or you have to choose the output as well. So output based question, and this is according to skill set. AI ML engineer is in the AI ML engineer, what they mention, just see this, okay. We have to open all the link here. So just to see that in the AI ML engineer, they mention that this is the requirement. You have a strong understanding of AI and machine learning principle, familiar with data exploration, cleaning and visualization technique, passion for AI and machine learning technologies, okay. So you have to knowledge of all concepts of AI ML. Suppose you are not so much proficient in AI ML, so I suggest you to at least read the basic concepts, okay, and know the terminologies and other, okay, and after that apply attend test, because there is 7 days. Next is related to front-end developer test. In the front-end developer test, the time is 30 minutes. What they mention in the front-end developer? In the front-end developer, they mention you have a strong proficiency in JavaScript, you have knowledge of React.js workflow such as Flux, Redux, data structure libraries, JSON. This is all the requirements that will converted into this. CSS JavaScript based question will ask, find output based question. You have to write your answer, okay. The question will be there and you have to write your answer. Guys, for this test you have 7 days of time. So take your time, prepare for test and attend test. All concepts of front end and image based question. They will give you one image and they will ask and they will give you some options to choose, okay. So in the front end developer test, this is related to that. So for front end, you have to know the basics of you have to know understanding of React.js and its core principle, JavaScript, Flux, Redux, GraphQL, API, JSON, Web token, Git. You have also knowledge of Git, because they will ask questions related to that. This is the first test, okay. This is the first test. So guys, this is the related to for front end developer you have 30 minutes of time, okay, and for AI ML engineer you have 40 minutes of time, okay. So the test validity is 7 days. They mention that link will be valid for 7 days. So I suggest you to at least prepare for concepts, okay, and then you have to attempt the test. Next test is related to preliminary screening test for the full stack developer position, that is AlgoHire.ai. As I already said, I am not sure about the batch because they mention some technical skill set, okay. So in that also you have knowledge of JavaScript, Flux, Redux, Node.js, okay, Webpack, RESTful APIs, Git, okay. Because the timer is like only 10 minutes is there. The exam pattern for AlgoHire.ai is 10 minutes. 20 MCQs are there, okay, multiple choice questions are there, and you have knowledge of full stack, guys, okay. In the full stack there are multiple technologies. It contains the front end part, back end part, so Node.js, React.js, okay, JavaScript and its principle. You have knowledge for that and you have to attend the test, okay. This is the technical skill set required in this test, okay. So I suggest you to at least prepare. And one of the most important point, what they mention, that AlgoHire is seeking a full stack developer with a minimum of 1 year of experience. So basically this role require expertise in both front end and back end development, primarily utilizing React.js. So I suggest you, if you have minimum 1 year of experience, you have to attend the test. I hope this video is useful for everyone. Like and share the video. Thanks for watching the video.